Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue solving Test Yourself from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 15. Two circles touch each other externally. The sum of their areas is 58 pi square centimeter and the distance between their centers is 10 centimeter. Find the radii of the two circles. There are two circles that touch each other externally. Two circles will touch each other at one point only. Okay, so ये दोनों circles externally touch हो रहे हैं. Okay, there is one circle, there is another circle, and both are touching at one point. Okay, externally बोला है तो ऐसे होगा. Internally बोला होता then there would be one circle and another circle inside it and they would be touching at one point. Okay, so internally bola hai to aise hoga, externally bola hai to both the circles are separate and they are touching at one common point. Okay, so over here let's number the circles, circle 1 and circle 2. For circle 1, ये सेंटर से ये पॉइंट तक का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? रेडियस होगा, राइट? सो लेट दिस बी r1. सेम वे फ्रॉम सेंटर टू दिस पॉइंट द डिस्टेंस विल बी r2. Okay, now coming to the given information. Two circles touch each other externally. The sum of their areas is 58 pi square centimeter. Sum of their areas. So first circle का area A1 लेंगे, second circle का area A2. Sum of the areas is 58 pi. And the distance between their centers is 10 centimeter. ये दो centers है. दोनों सेंटर्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज r1 प्लस r2 इज इक्वल टू 10. ओके, सो r1 प्लस r2 विल बी 10. दिस इज द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द रेडियाई ऑफ बोथ द सर्कल्स. दैट इज r1 एंड r2 फाइंड आउट करना है. यूजिंग दिस कंडीशन, pi r1 square plus pi r2 square will be equal to 58 pi. Pi cancel हो जाएगा, so we'll be left with r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 58. r1 plus r2 is equal to 10, so I can say r1 will be 10 minus r2. r1 की जगह पे 10 minus r2 पुट करो, सॉल्व करो एंड यू विल गेट r2 का वैल्यू. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सॉल्व करके r2 का दो वैल्यूज मिलेगा. वन ऑफ देम विल बी r1 का वैल्यू, अनदर वन विल बी r2 का वैल्यू. ओके, so on solving the equation you will automatically get two values and both the values will give you the radii of both the circles. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. Let the radii of the two circles be r1 and r2 and their respective areas be a1 and a2. Okay, now coming to the condition part. So according to given condition, we have r1 plus r2 equal to 10, right? So I can say r1 will be 10 minus r2. Okay, or you can take r2 as 10 minus r1. Now also you're given a1 plus a2 is 58 pi square centimeter. So pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to 58 pi. पाई कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, सो r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 58. r1 is 10 minus r2, the whole square. Don't take 10 square minus r2 square, wrong होगा. Okay, r1 is this whole thing, तो whole thing का square plus r2 square is equal to 58. So a minus b the whole square, that will give a square minus 2ab plus b square plus r2 square is equal to 58. So that will give 100 minus 20r2 plus 2r2 square is equal to 58. Rearranging the terms, पहले power 2 वाला term लिखेंगे, then power 1 and then the constant, that is numbers. Okay, so 2r2 square minus 20r2 plus 42 हो जाएगा equal to 0. All the numbers are divisible by 2, so dividing by 2, r2 square minus 10r2 plus 21 is equal to 0. Product is 21 and sum is minus 10. This is very easy, mentally ही कर सकते हैं ये solve. 21 का factors 7 and 3. Okay, both will be negative because sum is negative. So r2 square minus 7r2 minus 3r2 plus 21 equal to 0. Taking common from first two terms, taking common from other two terms, so same bracket मिलना चाहिए. r2 minus 7 into r2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Product of two numbers is 0, it means one of them has to be 0. So either r2 minus 7 is 0 or r2 minus 3 is 0. So r2 is 7 or r2 is 3. So one of the radii is 7 and another one is 3. Okay, so we'll take r1 as 3 and r2 as 7. Okay, or the other way around, doesn't matter. We don't know कि कौन सा वाला छोटा circle है, कौन सा बड़ा circle है. This was just an assumption. Okay, so if r2 is equal to 7, then r1 will be 10 minus 7, which is 3. Okay, and if r2 is 3, then r1 will be 10 minus 3, which is 7. So r1 is equal to 3 centimeter and r2 is equal to 7 centimeter, or r1 is equal to 7 centimeter and r2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Alright, so this is the answer. Box kar do. Don't forget the units, very important. Okay, next question, question number 16. The given figure shows a rectangle ABCD inscribed in a circle as shown alongside. If AB is equal to 28 centimeter and BC is equal to 21 centimeter, find the area of the shaded portion of the given figure. So there is a figure given to us. There is a rectangle inscribed inside the circle, inscribed in such a way that A, B, C, D are lying on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so A, B, C, D, all the 4 points are lying on the circumference of the circle. A, B and BC का length दिया हुआ है. AB is 28 centimeter and BC is 21 centimeter. So for the rectangle we know the dimensions, length and breadth दिया हुआ है. We need to find out the area of the shaded portion. ये जो shaded है उसका area find out करना है. बहुत easy है. Area of shaded portion will be area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. ये circle में से rectangle निकाल दो, then you are left with this shaded portion. So area of the circle minus area of rectangle हो जाएगा. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. ये मुझे पता है. What about this? I don't know the radius of the circle. So radius find out करना है. Now to find out the radius, join A and C or B and D. कोई भी दो points join करो. Either A and C or B and D. AC will be the diagonal of the rectangle, है ना? It will be diagonal as well as the diameter of the circle. ये diameter भी होगा. Okay? So BD same way join किया तो वो भी diameter and diagonal दोनों होगा. Okay? So diagonal I can easily find out. है ना? डायगनल का वैल्यू मुझे इजीली मिल जाएगा. सिंस आई नो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ, आई नो एल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर विल बी डी स्क्वायर, है ना? एल पता है, बी पता है, डी भी मिल जाएगा. वंस यू गेट द डायगनल, डायगनल इज नथिंग बट द डायमीटर. ओके, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड यू विल गेट द रेडियस. ओके, जो भी वैल्यू है. So once you get the radius, you will get the area of the circle as well. So subtracting the areas, you will get the area of the shaded portion. Alright, so let us solve now. First, we'll consider the rectangle, since we have all the information for the rectangle. For the rectangle, AB is 28 centimeter and BC is 21 centimeter. So area easily मिल जाएगा. Area of the rectangle will be length into breadth, that is AB into BC, which is 28 into 21. So 28 into 21, that will give 588. Don't forget the units, square centimeter. Area मिल गया rectangle का. We need to find out the diagonal now. Diagonal AC is nothing but the diameter of circle. So diagonal find out करना पड़ेगा. So AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. That is AC will be root of AB squared plus BC squared. Putting the values of AB and BC, AB 28 है, BC 21 है. So AC is equal to root of 28 का स्क्वायर 784, 21 का स्क्वायर 441. So AC will be equal to root of 5, 2 and 12. So root of 1225. Root of 1225 is 35. Okay. So 35 centimeter is the diagonal का length. इसका हाफ कर देंगे तो रेडियस मिल जाएगा. So radius will be 35 by 2. Alright, so we got the radius. Now we can easily find out the area of the circle. So therefore radius will be equal to AC by 2, which is 35 by 2. Keep it as it is. Okay, ऐसे ही रखते हैं इसको. This will again be in centimeter. Area of the circle will be equal to pi r square, which is 22 upon 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. 2 11s are 7 5s are 55 into 35 divided by 2. So 55 into 35, let's take 35 into 55. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 17, 175 again. So we will get 1925. Okay, 1925 divided by 2. So that will give 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, 962.5 square centimeter. Again, don't forget the units. So we got the areas of both the figures circle and rectangle. Let us find out the area of the shaded portion. So area of the shaded portion will be equal to area of the circle minus area of rectangle. Area of circle 962.5, area of rectangle 588. Let's subtract. So 962.5, 588.0, ये 5 हो जाएगा, ये 4 हो जाएगा, एंड यहाँ पे 374.5, put 0. स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स, बॉक्स कर दो आंसर को. ऑल राइट, लेट्स रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. A square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Find the area of the square. A square is inscribed in a circle. That is, a polygon is inscribed in a circle. Polygon मतलब 3-sided figure, 4-sided figure, 5-sided figure. So n number of sides. Whenever you're told that a polygon is inscribed in a circle, it means वो polygon का सारा vertices circumference पे lie करता है. Okay? So square का सारा vertices will lie on the circumference of the circle. Okay? So there is a circle and the square is inscribed in the circle in such a way that its vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. Okay? So if you're naming it A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D will be lying on the circumference of the circle. We need to find out the area of this square. Area के लिए side required है. We don't know the side. So over here they have given us the radius instead. Radius of the circle is given. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now A and C को अगर join करे और B and D, okay? So any two opposite vertices if you join, then you are going to get the diameter. Okay? So AC or BD will give you the diameter of the circle. So diameter will be twice the radius, which is 14 centimeter. Okay, so AC जो है वो 14 हो जाएगा. And this same AC, this diameter is the diagonal of the square. So एक बार diagonal अगर मिल गया तो side easily मिल जाएगा, right? We know that diagonal is side into root 2. Okay, that is side is equal to diagonal by root 2. अगर ये नहीं पता है, नहीं याद है, then use Pythagoras theorem. We know AB square plus BC square will be AC square. AB and BC दोनों same होगा because sides of square है. So twice AB square will be equal to AC is 14. Okay. Taking square root, we'll get 2 का square root root 2 AB and 14 का 14 square है तो 14 square का square root 14 हो जाएगा. Okay. So we'll get AB as 14 by root 2. All right. So side मिल गया. एक बार साइड मिल गया, देन स्क्वायर इट, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. सो वेरी वेरी इजी. ऑल राइट, ये फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं है इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, मेमोराइज दिस. ओके, सो लेट अस सॉल्व नाउ. सो क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABCD is a square inscribed in a circle. ओके, सो सर्कल का रेडियस दिया हुआ है, इट इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. देयरफॉर डायमीटर विल बी 14. ओके, This diameter is nothing but AC. So therefore AC is 14 centimeter, and therefore I can say side AB will be diagonal by root 2. Okay, I'm not using Pythagoras theorem. If you want, you can use Pythagoras theorem and then find out AB. Alright, I'm directly using the formula. Side is equal to diagonal by root 2. So that will be 14 by root 2. Normally we rationalize, but यहाँ पे rationalize नहीं करेंगे because ultimately square करना है. Okay, so keep it as it is. Now area of the square will be side square, that is AB squared, 14 by root 2 का square, that is 14 का square 196 and root 2 का square 2 हो जाएगा. So that will give 98 square centimeter. Don't forget the units and box the answer. So write down the final statement. The area of the square is 98 square centimeter.